Welcome back, kids. Today we will draw Peppa Pig cartoon. So let's start. First, draw a big circle in the middle of paper. Well done. Now draw the ears. Draw a 2-point angle on its head. Draw it like a V shape. Good job. Now draw the eyes. Draw a circle like this. Then draw a round dot inside it. Well done. Now draw the other eye also. Now draw its nose. Draw a big triangle. Just draw like me, and it's done. Now draw a big happy smile. Now draw 3 lines on each side. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now let's draw its body. Draw 2 curved lines on side, like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. And connect them with a line. Look, we draw the body. Now let's draw its leg. Draw a line, then draw the shoes. Well done. Now draw the other leg also. Draw a line, then draw the shoes. To draw its hand, first draw a line and make its fingers. Now draw the other hand. Do the same thing, and it will look good. Don't forget to draw a cute tail. Lastly, draw a cute heart. Just draw like me, and it's done. I'm making another heart also. Just draw like me, and it's done. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First, use light orange color on the head. First, color the ear. Color very carefully, and don't make any mistake. Now color on the head. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color very carefully, and don't color on its face. Don't color inside its eyes and nose. know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Well done, it looking very beautiful. Now use dark orange color on its ear. Color very slowly and don't make any mistake. Now make a round circle on the face. Draw a circle and slowly fill the color. Well done, now use pink color on its nose. You can use different colors you like, but we are drawing Peppa Pig friend, so it will look good if you color like me. Now use green color on its cloth. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Slowly fill the color and it will look beautiful. Lastly, use red color on hearts. Color very carefully and slowly. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Good job! We complete the drawing. Look how cute it's looking. Can you tell her name? She is a friend of Peppa Pig. To learn drawing, click here to subscribe my kid cartoon channel.